Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on role use activities on your voice channel permissions on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, now click roles, click here, now click permissions. Here as you see you will find use activities. Click on it, and as you see here, after this click save, and that's it. It will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.